how to draw the structures and name the oxy acids of sulfur. In our textbook, these are the following oxy acids are given in a tabular column format. First one is H2SO3, H2SO4, then H2SO5. The மூணு compoundsலையும் sulfur atom will be only one. Next ஒரு certain compounds பார்க்க போகிறோம் where the sulfur atom is 2. For this O3 up to O8 you have to write H2S2O4, H2S2O5, H2S2O6, H2S2O7, finally H2S2O8. Now the basic unit for oxy acids என்னன்னு பார்த்துக்கலாம். So it is nothing but S double bond O single bond OH. So once you reunite, what you get is SHO2. So in the unit you have to subtract each and every formula. So minus HSO2, again minus HSO2, minus பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன ரெசிடுயலா நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும். Let's see now. So once you minus HSO2, the remaining is HO. Here it is HO2 and here it is HO3. Okay, I am coming to the compounds having two sulfur atoms. In this case, the basic unit should be multiplied with 2. So HSO2 into 2 gives you H2S2O4. But here you have 4 oxygen, whereas here we have only 3 oxygen. So you should subtract only the basic unit HSO2, but you cannot do this. Even though sulfur atom is 2, but oxygen is less, so we are preferring to subtract the molecule with only the basic unit HSO2. Okay, in this case here you can use that H2S2O4 because here the oxygen atom is same, so it is not less than the oxygen what is described here, that's all. It is equal to, so you can subtract with H2S2O4, the remaining all with H2S2O4. So this thing you must be very careful. Here you have to subtract only HSO2, not H2S2O4. The reason is lack of oxygen, lack of oxygen. Again subtracting H2S2O4, H2S2O4, H2S2O4. So what do you get now? Let's see. So once I subtract, the remaining is HSO. Am I right? HSO. The next one is nil. Nothing is there. Nil. Here 1 oxygen, 2 oxygen, 3 oxygen and 4 oxygen. So in the clues which எப்படி நம்ம structure பார்க்கலாம். First I am taking H2SO3. H2SO3. Okay. So the basic unit is S double bond O OH. What is the remaining? OH is remaining. So I am going to write here OH. This is the structure for H2SO3. Next I am moving to H2SO4. So the basic formula is this one, and what is remaining in H2SO4? HO2. So HO2, so I am writing 1 OH, another O is remaining. Let me write here double bond O. S is bonded with oxygen by a double bond. The next H2SO5. Let me draw the basic one, OH. Here O5 is given, so let me write one more OH, and already 3 oxygen is over and the 4th one is over. There is no place to keep another oxygen, but there is a possibility. How to write this? Instead of OH we can write OOH. in a peroxy format, OOH. So this is the structure for H2SO5. The next, let's see the structure for H2S2O3. Here we have taken only one unit, right? Sulfur, only one unit we have subtracted. This is OH, and what is remaining is another H and O. So let me write like this, and 2 sulfur is there. So let me write like this, sulfur, that's all. So H2S2O3. The next molecule is let me write here. The next molecule is H2S2O4. So how to draw the basic structure? We have to write 2 basic structures, because here we have subtracted with H2S2. Can you remember that? H2S2O4. So I am taking 2 units. So what is remaining? Nothing is remaining. So I make a bond between the 2 sulfur atoms. The next is H2S2O5. So let me draw the basic structure now. S double bond O, OH. Again one more unit, S double bond O, OH. And one O is remaining. Actually what we think is the O should be written within the 2 sulfur. It is not at all. The sulfur is bonded, and you have to write a double bond O under one of the sulfur atom. So the next is H2S2O6. For this, first let me draw the basic units, 2 basic units. OH, again OH. Here this is connected, already one double bond O, another double bond O I am drawing on the other sulfur atom. The next molecule is H2S2O7. Here how they are arranged is, first let me take 2 basic units having double bond O. Now one O is remaining, that O connects both the sulfur atom. That's the clue. The next one is H2S2O8. Here let me draw the basic unit first, S double bond O, OH. Again here one double bond O, S double bond O, OH. Again double bond O. So 3, 3, 6, 2 is remaining, 2 oxygen is remaining. So connect between the 2 sulfur. So these are the structures of oxy acids of sulfur. The next we are going to see how to find out their names. Let me move to the trick how to find the names. So naming the oxy acids of sulfur. For this we are going to take 2 basic oxy acids. One is sulfurous acid, H2SO3. The name is sulfurous acid. இது நமக்கு ஆல்ரெடி தெரியும், தெரிஞ்சதுலேருந்து எப்படி தெரியாத நேமை கண்டுபிடிக்கலான்னு பார்க்கலாம். Another one is sulfuric acid. In sulfurous acid we have 3 divisions. How I'll tell you now. So it's very simple. This is dithionous, எல்லாமே அஸ்ன்னு முடியும். Okay, dithionous acid. This is pyrosulfurous acid, and this one is hyposulfurous acid. The first one is just a minute. I'm sorry. This is not hypo, this is thio. That's the thing I had a doubt. This is thio. This is dithio, and the first one is dithio, the last one is thio. Yeah, look at here. In dithio, what is the clue? Let me tell you the clue. In dithio, you have to multiply the formula H2SO3 into 2 minus H2O2. Whereas in pyro, multiply the formula of the acid minus H2O. In thio, the formula of the acid plus S minus O. This is the trick. So let me implement now. So once you multiply, you have H4S2O6 minus H2O2. So once you subtract, the remaining is H2S2O4. இப்போ நம்ம molecule எங்க H2S2O4 இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாம். H2S2O4, yes. So the name of this compound is dithionous acid. Okay, H2S2O4 க்கு என்ன பேருனா dithionous acid. Next இங்க பார்க்கலாம். Again I am multiplying with 2. This is H2S2O6 minus H2O. So you will get H2S2O5. So H2S2O5 means pyrosulfurous acid. H2S2O5 is pyrosulfurous acid. The next one, H2S2O2, but in our compound it starts only from O3, so this is neglected. So sulfurous acid is over. Next I am moving to sulfuric acid. The formula is H2SO4. So sulfuric acid, we have 5 divisions. Let me move one by one. 5 divisions. The first one is as you did in the previous. What are they? Dithio, pyro and thio. This is dithio, pyro, thio. This is peroxy. This is peroxy di. So how to name the compounds is dithionic acid, pyrosulfuric acid, thiosulfuric acid, peroxy sulfuric acid, peroxy disulfuric acid. This is the way how to name them. The same 3 clues is being implemented here also. What are they? 2 into formula H2SO4 minus H2O2. Here it is 2 into H2SO4 minus H2O. Here the formula H2SO4 plus S minus O. Whereas here what you have to do is H2SO4 plus O. One more O you have to add. Since it is peroxy, I am adding one O. Here what to do is instead of H2SO4 you have to take H2SO5. H2SO5 minus H2O2. This is somewhat a different one, minus H2O2. Let me apply now. H4S2O8 minus H2O2. The answer is H2S2O6. So first we will do all the calculation and then we can find out their formulas. The next one is H4S2O8 minus H2O. So this becomes H2S2O7. Here it is H2S2O3. H2S2O3. Here H2SO5 and here 2 into H2SO5. So it becomes H4S2O10 minus H2O2. So H2S2O8. So H2S2O6 is named as dithionic acid. H2S2O6 is nothing but dithionic acid. The next one, H2S2O7 is pyrosulfuric acid. Pyrosulfuric acid. The next clue is H2S2O3 is thiosulfuric acid. This one is thiosulfuric acid. The next clue is H2SO5, peroxysulfuric acid. So this one is peroxysulfuric acid. And finally, H2S2O8 is peroxy disulfuric acid. This is peroxy disulfuric acid. So we have named all the compounds, and this is well known. H2SO3 is sulfurous acid, and this one is sulfuric acid. I think so you can understand how to write the oxy acids of sulfur, their structures, names, etc. Thank you, students.